DEVONagent Pro supports both Boolean operators and wildcards to enhance the search experience. These help to make your search results more accurate. You can find a list of operators and wildcards together with explanations in the DEVONagent Pro documentation. But while we're on the topic, let's take a look to get a feel for how they work. First, let's go over a few simple operators. Using AND between any two search terms makes sure that both terms are present in the results. Note that this is the same as just typing in two search terms. When you don't use an operator, DEVONagent automatically implies the AND operator. Typing in OR will produce results that have either term 1 or term 2. The results may also contain both. Alternatively, typing in XOR, which means exclusive OR, searches for terms that have either term 1 or term 2, but not both. When you get too many results and want to narrow down the list, use the NOT operator. It helps find results that do not contain the term that follows NOT. So these are a few basic common operators. Now let's check out operators that are extremely useful but are typically only found in high-end scientific databases. However, DEVONagent Pro supports them. This operator means that while the first term needs to be present, the second term is optional. If term 2 does occur, then the found document ranks higher in the results. The near operator searches for items where term 1 and term 2 are close together. More specifically, term 1 has to occur 10 words or less before or after term 2. You can also change the distance of the two terms by typing in a slash and a number. Use this when searching for very common words that could appear far away from each other, but you only need those results where these words are close together. This is often more effective than simply using the AND operator. Before means that term 1 occurs before term 2. And after indicates that it should be after term 2. Like the near operator, typing a slash with a number limits the distance between the two terms. So after /10 means that term 1 needs to be 10 words or less after term 2. Now let's take a look at some of these operators in action. In the search field, let's type in DEVONthink or DEVONagent. This means that each result has either DEVONthink or DEVONagent and perhaps contains both search terms. However, when we change OR to AND, we get less results, as this means the search results have to contain both terms. Operators can also be used with other search techniques that you may be familiar with from online search engines: quotation marks and parentheses. For example, let's type in Russian or Soviet, put that in parentheses, and then add "and submarines." This asks DEVONagent to search for either Russian submarines or Soviet submarines, and we get results for both. Lastly, let's take a look at wildcards. Wildcards help us when we want to search for words that have something in common, like a prefix, suffix, or other letters. For example, DEVONthink, DEVONagent, and DEVONsphere all have the same prefix. To find all documents that have words starting with Devon, simply type in Devon with an asterisk. As you can see, the search has picked up all the different words starting with Devon. So what other wildcards do we have? Well, using a tilde before a search term searches for any words that contain our term, be it at the beginning, end, or in the middle. So typing in ~search finds all words with search in it, like search, research, or search word. Lastly, question marks can be used when you want to replace a single letter. For example, if we want to search for occurrences of both fireman and firemen. To do that, we need to type in FIREM, question mark, and N. We get results for both. So that's a wrap for the basics of advanced searching in DEVONagent Pro. To learn more about Boolean operators, please see the product's documentation. In the meantime, get to searching the web effectively.